Perforex is an up-to-date 4-axis machining center with computer numerized control, designed and manufactured for the purpose of machining control panels, cubicles and enclosures in the switch cupboard industry and assembly. Besides the simple and easy workshop programming, connections to almost all electrical CAD planning tools have been established on the machine. No matter if you use our predefined libraries or your own raw panels, component or variable component parts, programming is much faster than taking measurements or making designs. Everything has only to be defined once and can be repeated as often as necessary. Since the components to be machined are set on the machine from the front side, a setting up of the machine close to a wall or between other production sites will cause no problem at all. Once the panel is tightened, the machining can be started and completely finished without any further intervention. Due to the vertical and slightly inclined work panel of the machining center, much less space is needed for the setting up than would be with horizontal work panels. The positioning of the workpieces can also be managed much more easily and in upright posture. The traveling bridge equipped with the corresponding tool slides over the workpiece, considerably reducing as such the working time for the job to be done. The change of tools takes place automatically and each tool is checked before it returns to its place in the tool magazine. In the case of tool rupture, the machine will stop automatically and a warning will appear on the computer screen. The 5.5 kilowatt high capacity motor with maximum 18,000 revolutions per minute allows the machining of various materials, such as steel, stainless steel, aluminium, copper and even plastics. In spite of the high capacity, the motor works rather silently, just like the other axis motors. A low-quantity lubricating device provides lubrication and cooling for the tools. It works with a very fine oil spray mist right at the point where the machining is done. The gate for the cubicle enclosure area can be easily opened from the front side. The Perforex machining centers are exclusively manufactured in Germany, and most of the components come from that country. A Perforex machining center is designed for long life performance. Enclosures are placed into the gate and precisely put into the correct position with the help of the electromotorized depth adjustment. Then they are fixed with pneumatic clamps. Enclosures having a width up to 1200 mm allow the additional fixation of a panel at the same time. Simultaneous machining of several cubicles can be carried out with the help of an additional multiple fastening device in the gate. This device allows the fixation of several small cubicles and their machining in one process. The use of customary trade tools and tool sockets make it possible to optimize and to reduce production costs. Further machining processes such as engraving, bolt welding and deburring have been added to the original ones, like drilling, tapping and milling, allowing as such as a complete spectrum in switch cupboard machining and assembly. Besides quality, flexibility and the large range of machining possibilities, cost efficiency and profitability are further topics which our customers benefit from when using the Perforex machining centers. The Perforex machining center is easy to handle, to maintain and to clean without the necessity of employing a special serviceman. Constant development on the machine has made it possible in the past and will continue make it possible in the future to integrate further automated machining processes, optimizing at the same time the handling and the production processes. Here are some details. The hollow shaft spindle right behind the drilling head, the enclosure, the patented pressure plate with integrated suction device for filings. Perforex machining centers are equipped with a 3-beam light barrier to prevent the machine being approached during operation. The safety fences surround all working areas, even behind the machine. They are high enough so that even large persons cannot reach over them. The machining centers therefore correspond to all safety regulations established through the German MOT. Of course, the machining centers are in compliance with all applicable CE standards. One major aspect is and remains the workshop programming. This can be employed at any network-connected working site and uses a central data bank. The PC on the machine has also a network connection and uses the same data bank. With this, time-consuming import procedures have become void. No matter where the programming is done, the job order is on the machine and immediately ready for function. You are already working with the CAD system, so much the better. In this case, you simply transmit the planning to our interface and the established bore pattern is immediately available for the next working order. We would be pleased to inform you whether your system is amongst these or not. With the delivery of the first Perforex machining center in 1999, Kiesling Maschinentechnik has started a new age in the switch cupboard industry and assembly.